Hello everyone, we are going to take a look at this 30RLDS Hideout. Now this is a part of the regular Hideout series, so these aren't the LHS models. They come a little bit bigger than the regular LHSs, but they still have a lot to offer. And this one in particular actually comes in weighing just under 8,000 pounds, so it says 7,930. Starting with the outside, and then we'll kind of work our way in. You have your power tongue jack at the very front. Couple propanes under this plastic casing. You even have some diamond plating down at the bottom of your front cap. You are also prepped for side marker cameras, so all you have to do is just purchase the actual camera part, pop it in there, and you're able to view the sides of your camper while you're hauling it down the road. Kind of makes it very helpful. You even have some pass-through storage, so put any extra camping gear in here that you don't want to put in the actual camper, and just have easy access to it while you're stopping along the way. This also has front and rear stabilizer jacks. You also have an awning that stretches all the way to your slide out on your camping side. Outside speakers, and you have a 110 outlet out here. So if you want to plug anything in, you can set it up on a table and be able to do that. Or, if you're having kind of a family grill night under your awning, you can plug in anything there, air fryer, all that type of stuff. Solid steps at your entrance. Everybody loves these. They're very sturdy. Plus, it really is helpful for your dogs to get in and out of the camper easily. Very sturdy. And then right next to it, you actually have a bottle opener / leash tie-up. And you have your big helper handle. Moving along past your camping slide out. You are even prepped for a rear view camera. So just like the side cameras, you just have to purchase the actual camera part, and then you're even able to view the back part of your camper. So let's start from the front. So as you can see, this is your master bedroom. You got your queen size mattress, and it also has storage underneath it. Couple end tables on both sides. The end table right in front of me on the right actually has a laundry chute that goes out into that pass-through storage. So kind of cool that it has that. You don't have to smell your dirty clothes while you're out camping. Just up above, you have closet storage space on both sides. They also have really pretty mirror panels on the doors as well. Connecting shelf in between for some extra decorations and storage. Each side also has an outlet so you can plug your electronics in or a sleep app machine. And then you have even more closet space at the foot of your bed. Pretty nice. And an extra set of drawer down there. Across from your bed as well, you actually have a spot for a LCD TV mounting bracket so you can hang your TV up here and relax. And then coming in through this door is your bathroom. So you have your porcelain foot flush toilet that's kind of at an angle. Stand-up shower, so you got plenty of room to turn around in. Plus you have this gorgeous seafoamy green color for your shower door. Vent fan up above as well. And then across from your toilet is your sink. Got a little bit of countertop space, storage below it, outlet if you need it, and your medicine cabinet. So now coming out here, across from your front door is your convenience center. So this is where you can have access to your slide outs, your awnings, turn your inside lights on. And I love that it's not that far from your door. And then coming out into our living room and kitchen area, you have this gorgeous, ginormous island right in the middle of your kitchen. A lot of room for food prep. And because the kitchen sink is, onto one side, you have all this extra countertop space. Stainless steel sink with a spray nozzle. And then you have storage all down below. So you have a couple cabinets and pretty huge drawers. And then this down here is a built-in road vac system. So what that means is you don't have to worry about bringing your vacuum with you, your broom, anything like that. You have a vacuum built into this camper. And it actually has a 30-foot, I believe, nozzle that hooks into it, and you're able to vacuum every square inch of this camper. And if you really want to sweep out your car, you probably could pull it up right next to your camper and be able to do that. Right next to your hallway, you have a coffee maker breakfast bar area. So you got your outlet right there, be able to plug in coffee makers, air fryers, whatnots. You can have your small appliances there, as well as storage down below and up above. Right next to that is some pantry space, and a lot of it. And then across from your island that we were just talking about is your stovetop. So even more countertop space on either side. Plus each side has its own outlet. So same thing as the coffee bar. You can plug in any small appliance. 3 sets of drawers under on either side. And you just have this extra space down below. You got your light and vent fan up above. Microwave with cabinets on either side. So there's just a lot of storage in this camper. And then we have our refrigerator. Really good size too. Coming into our living room area. So you have your fireplace, part of your entertainment center, all the way down below. So this is your electric fireplace. This will heat up your camper and kind of take the chill out of the air. Or you can just turn it on to have a really awesome looking aesthetic, have the lights on to be really pretty. And then just up above is your Bluetooth speaker system with a USB port next to it. Swivel TV. And then the very rear of your camper is your sleeper sofa. So this will fold out into a sleeping space for your kids or your friends or any type of guests. End tables on either side. And then I love the windows too, so you have a gorgeous view. 3 sets of cabinets up above. And then right across from your entertainment center is your theater reclining seats. They also have built-in cup holders and snack or remote control storage. And then you have your booth dinette as well that also will fold out into an extra sleeping space. The one booth on the right actually has storage under it. They're also very soft plush material, so very comfortable. But that is it for this hideout, you guys. If you have questions or concerns, please let us know and we are happy to help.